Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today my mother is going to show you how to make this easy and yummy rasgulla. First, take 1.5 liter of milk. It is obvious that you guys only need to buy full cream milk for this recipe. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice plus 2 tablespoons of water. And then boil the milk. After boiling the milk, add vinegar and lemon water. You can slowly see that we are going to make some cottage cheese. After adding the vinegar, you should off the stove and make the cottage cheese. You can see that from the milk, the cottage cheese and the water have become separated. Now drain the hot water. And then clean the cottage cheese with cool water. We also call them chana. If it is possible for you guys to clean it 2 times, it will be actually good since the vinegar and lemon taste will not come. And also squeeze the water properly. And after this, put them upright somewhere so that it dries, and also put it for 3-4 hours. Now add 1.5 cup of sugar plus 3.5 cup of water. And then bring it to a boil. After 3 to 4 hours, we are going to take it out and then we are going to put it in a plate. Now add 2 pinch of baking powder plus 2 tablespoons of maida flour. Now knead it well for 2 to 3 minutes. After kneading, separate the cottage cheese into some parts. And then make it in the same shape, and then we are going to make the rasgulla shape. And now apply the ghee in your hand and then make the rasgulla balls. First we are going to knead it in our hand for some seconds and then we are going to make it in a rasgulla shape. I don't have anything to say here, so you guys just follow what my mother is doing. Shape the circle with no crack, or when you boil it in the sugar syrup, it will break fully. Now we made all of them perfect circles. Now we are going to add them in the sugar syrup. You can see how perfect and same size it became. It's looking very perfect. Now add our rasgulla ball in the sugar syrup. Cover it with a lid and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. You should also open the lid little so that the steam also comes out, or the rasgulla will pop out. After 2 minutes, open the lid and stir them properly. Again cover it and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. We are also going to open it for some time and stir it. Now cover and cook it for 10 minutes on medium to low flame. Within 10 minutes we have to air it out 2 times so that the water won't reach its high level and fall down. After 10 minutes, open the lid. And now we are going to take a bowl of water and add one rasgulla on it, and if the rasgulla dips inside, it means the rasgulla is ready, and if it doesn't dips inside, it means it's not ready. We are also gonna try with another rasgulla. If it dips in or drowns in the water, it means it's ready, and if it comes up, it means it's not ready. And again cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame and wait for it to cool down. After it cools down, serve it. You can see how it is looking very beautiful and nice, and also it is very tasty at the same time. The rasgulla is very spongy and soft and also tasty at the same time. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.